This tutorial provides an introduction to preparation for and attendance at trial, as well as the appeal process. Witness summons. Upon receipt of a trial date, it is best practice to serve witness summonses on the witnesses on whose evidence your client intends to rely at trial. Once served, a witness summons requires the recipient to attend court to give evidence on either a specified date or such date as the court may direct. The permission of the court is required where a party wishes to issue a witness summons less than 7 days before the date of trial, issue a witness summons for a witness to attend court on a date other than the date fixed for trial, issue a witness summons for a witness to attend court at a hearing other than trial. Form and process. The witness summons must be in the prescribed form and identify any documents that the recipient is required to produce at court. There is no requirement to set out the questions that may be put to the witness. The party issuing the summons will be required to offer a reasonable sum to cover the witness's expenses of attending trial and include compensation for loss of time. See Practice Direction 34A 3.2 and Practice Direction 34A 3.3 as to the basis on which the amount to be paid is calculated. Once issued, the witness summons will generally be served by the court.